NASA's James Webb Space Telescope is poised to embark on an array of groundbreaking missions in the near future, unveiling the mysteries of the cosmos with unprecedented clarity and precision. With its advanced technology and cutting-edge instrumentation, James Webb promises to revolutionize our understanding of the universe and redefine the boundaries of astronomical exploration. One of James Webb's ongoing missions involves tracking exoplanets as they transit in front of their parent stars. This method enables astronomers to analyze the atmospheres of these distant worlds by studying the filtration of starlight. Over the next 2 years, James Webb will continue its efforts to unravel the secrets of these alien realms, providing invaluable insights into the diversity and composition of exoplanetary atmospheres. In early 2024, James Webb will turn its attention to the TRAPPIST-1 system, a remarkable collection of 7 Earth-sized exoplanets orbiting an ultra-cold dwarf star approximately 40 light-years away. By studying the atmospheres of these exoplanets, James Webb aims to determine the potential for life beyond our solar system, offering tantalizing glimpses into the existence of habitable worlds beyond our own. Mid-2024 will see James Webb embark on a mission to map the earliest galaxies, delving into the cosmic history to unveil the formation and evolution of galactic structures during the universe's infancy. Armed with its advanced imaging capabilities, James Webb will peer into the distant past, shedding light on the fundamental processes that shape the universe as we know it today. In late 2024, James Webb will train its sights on Jupiter's Great Red Spot, a colossal storm that has fascinated astronomers for centuries. By examining this iconic feature of the gas giant with unprecedented detail, James Webb aims to unravel the dynamics, chemistry, and structure of the storm, offering valuable insights into the atmospheric processes shaping the largest planet in our solar system. Early 2025 will witness James Webb revisiting the galaxy cluster SMACS 0723, utilizing the phenomenon of gravitational lensing to magnify light from distant galaxies. These observations promise to yield groundbreaking insights into the formation and evolution of galaxy clusters, providing valuable clues about the structural hierarchy of the universe. Finally, in mid-2025, James Webb will turn its attention towards Titan, Saturn's largest moon, and its mysterious atmosphere. By mapping the composition of Titan's surface and atmosphere, James Webb aims to unravel the complex chemistry underlying this enigmatic world, offering tantalizing clues about its potential for harboring life. As James Webb prepares to embark on these ambitious missions, the stage is set for a new era of astronomical discovery. With each observation and revelation, James Webb promises to push the boundaries of human knowledge, offering unprecedented insights into the universe and our place within it. As we eagerly await the unfolding of these cosmic odysseys, one thing remains certain: the quest for understanding the cosmos knows no bounds, and with each new discovery, we inch closer towards unlocking the secrets of the universe.